Hello everyone, it's Aster bringing you an unboxing video. So this time it's September's Gacha Gacha and Inku crates from Japan Crate. Last month I had the August crates and I was extremely impressed with the Inku crate, but not so impressed with the Gacha Gacha crate. And I did sort of try and look for spoilers for the Gacha Gacha crate because I wanted to know, what's coming. I do know there's something Sailor Moon in there, and I believe there's a demon sword, or I have no idea what the anime is called, but it's a very popular anime right now, and there's something in there relating to that, but I have zero interest in that, so this one might be a mixed crate again, so I was going to give Gacha Gacha one more chance before I decided whether or not I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to get rid of it, and I was definitely going to keep Inku, I think, because I was very impressed last month. So let's start with the Gacha Gacha. So, if I remember correctly, the Gacha Gacha is a few dollars more than the Inku crate, because you're not getting, like, stationery, you're actually getting toys and stuff. So, we have the September 2020 little spoiler guide. So I'm not going to look at that, but I am going to take a look at the Gacha Gacha. Okay, so let's do this pink one first. Okay, this one's the Sailor Moon one. Good. Alright, so here is the little pamphlet that comes with it. And it looks like you can get multiple things. Right, there's A, B, C, and D rewards or something. Tiers of rewards. I don't read Japanese at all, so I'm going to have to see if the spoiler guide has anything. Okay, let's open this up. Well, whatever it is, it's a very heavy thing. Okay, so pink thing with the one of her transformation brooches. I don't know which one it is. And at the bottom there's this little thing. Oh, it's a music box. Okay. Well, let's... It's just gonna keep going. Huh. I may have wound it up a little bit too much. Is it done? It's done. Okay. I don't recognize the melody at all. I'm a big fan of Sailor Moon, so I should be able to recognize most of the songs. That's not the opening. That's not any song that I know of, so I'm very curious to see what exactly this melody is. I mean, it's cute and it's cool that I got a music box, so it's neat. But yeah, I'm not sure what melody that is. Also, this really doesn't look like Sailor Moon at all, other than it's pink and it. I mean, you'd have to really know Sailor Moon to know that's one of her transformation brooches, so it's like. Also, the quality is really tinny. I don't know if it'll come out tinny on my phone or not, but it's extremely tinny, so I don't know if the quality is right there. It feels heavy though. Um, Next up, this yellow thing. Okay, so this one is weird looking. It looks like it's a plastic stump with bugs and slime. That's really weird. Let's see, I don't know which one I got. Because there's different bugs, so I'm kind of like trying to match the bugs. I think I might have gotten the one with red slime. Suppose we can open it up and look. It's sealed, so I don't know if I want to really deal with slime, but the little bugs are just really kind of soft plastic. It comes with two of them, and then the container is actually a wooden stump, but it's a hard plastic. I'm pretty sure I got the one with the red slime, so. Weird choice to put in a Gacha Gacha crate, but okay. Not sure if I'm a fan of this or not. Probably not, because it's probably going to get extremely messy and the slime will eventually, you know, harden over time, so it's not like it'll keep a long time. Next up, we have this thing. I hate tape so much. I noticed that these, some of them weren't taped, so I was kind of happy that they weren't taped. This one has tape though, so can't escape the tape, I guess. Which is a shame, because it takes so long. Oh wow, this thing had 3 strips of tape. I really don't want you to get in. Okay, so we have this banana shark. Huh. Okay, so it's a banana shark keychain. So it's a banana that's been cut to look like a shark. Looks like this is series 2, and it's a bunch of bananas that are supposed to look like different sea creatures. There's a dolphin, a clownfish, no, that would be a squid, and a shrimp. Okay. One of those weird Japanese things. Next, we have something that winds up. Oh, cute. So it's like a festival game. So you fill the thing with water, as seen there, and then you like wind it up, and I guess it rotates the water, and you put the little animals in the water, and I suppose you're supposed to scoop them out. Looks like I got the turtles. Would have been cool if I got the goldfish, because that's what I'm most familiar with animes. Okay, next we have... Oh, this will be the demon... whatever the heck it is. Demon Slayer? Demon Sword thing? So those are the things that you can get. It looks like it's a washcloth or something. I think I got the plainest one that you can get. So it's just a character. So it's just text. And I can't read Japanese, so I have no idea what that is. It might be the logo for the anime, or I don't know, but that's what it is. I don't know the anime, so that one's kind of not a fan. And then last, we have, oh, Pokemon. Okay. Except I don't know what Pokemon this is. I know it's Pokemon, though. I've seen it before. This is Minna D. Owen Mascot. I have no idea what that is. Looks like you could have gotten 5 different Pokemon. Of course, I didn't get the Pokemon that I recognize, you know, Pikachu or Clefairy. I got this one, which I don't know. I recognize it, I just don't know the name of it, so... I mean, it's cute and kind of reminds me of Pikachu, but... it ain't Pikachu, so... And that's it for the Gacha Gacha crate. Again, this one's a real mix. I liked the turtle game thing. This is weird but cool at the same time. The Sailor Moon was a win. The Pokemon was okay. I would have rather gotten Pikachu, but it is what it is. The towel thing is from an anime I don't know. So that one's kind of a miss. And then the slime bug thing is a miss too, so 2 misses and then 4 good ones, I guess. So let's take a look at the little spoiler guide thing and see if we can figure out some stuff. Okay, what's in your Gacha Gacha crate? Sailor Moon desk accessories. This Gachapon is a little different than the usual ones in that it's like a lucky prize lottery. There are tiers of Sailor Moon desk accessories that you can win, ranging from coasters to cord ties to decorative desk plates. Each tier has a variation of Sailor Moon designs too. Which one did you win? Next is cheering Pokemon. Don't give up. These Pokemon are here to give you the boost you need. Beetle Slime Stump. In the summer, it is common to catch beetles in Japan. As summer comes to an end, you can keep this beetle with you all year round. Its resting stump comes with slime for extra fun and stickiness. Sea Bananimals. Are these bananas or sea animals? Hang one of these creatively designed banana-looking sea animals or sea animal-looking bananas on your keys or backpack. Fishing game. Though summer may be over, the festivities don't have to. Try your luck at this fishing game that can typically be found at Japanese summer festivals. What was that? Demon Slayer. Okay, it's Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer hand towel. Keep clean and dry in Demon Slayer fashion with these stylishly designed hand towels. Yeah, mine wasn't stylishly designed. And honestly, I don't really care about Demon Slayer. So, the inside gives a little bit more info on the Sailor Moon thing. This month's Sailor Moon Gachapon is like an Ichiban Tuji, or a lottery prize game. In Japan, you can find these at various shops and even convenience stores, typically featuring cool character prizes and special collaboration goods. How it works is that you see a prize poster of various tiered prizes, example A to F, that you can win. If something catches your eye, you can try your luck and buy a ticket, usually 600 to 1,000 yen, so $6 to $10. Then you draw from a box and see what letter/prize you won. There are sometimes special high-value prizes if you are the person to buy the last ticket of an Ichiban Tuji. The Sailor Moon Gachapon featured in this month's crate is a great blend of two fun chance games, Gacha Machines and Ichiban Tuji. What did you win in your crate? I won a music box that I don't know the musical tune it's playing. Still. Mine might have been a high tier value prize, because, I mean, they list off what you can win: coasters to cord ties to decorative desk plates. I mean, that all sounds cool, but that's not a music box. So I'm wondering if I got the highest prize that I could get. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. But that is it for the Gacha Gacha. Again, this one had more good than bad, but it really is a mix, because there's going to be stuff that I just won't like the Demon Slayer towel thing. It's from an anime I don't know, and I don't watch, and I don't plan on watching. Then there was the slime thing. I mean, it's okay, but it's not like I'm gonna run out and get a Gachapon of it. So, very mixed bag. I think I will hold off and make another video to do the Inku crate because this is already 20 minutes long. So, stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one.